Hey guys, this is Mohit from Afotech, and today we'll be discussing about smartphone manufacturing, how companies manufacture their smartphones in four simple steps. So let's get started. So in the picture you see over here behind the screen is a basic it's a basic circuit board which is used in smartphones. This picture this the circuit board in the picture is not what is used in smartphones, but this picture is from some other device. But this is what the circuit board in the smartphone also looks like, but it's a little bit miniaturized. So, what is the most common way that phone companies opt in manufacturing? So, most companies opt a common way to manufacture their smartphones. Let's take Apple for example. Apple devices are usually designed in USA, while the components are manufactured in other countries like China and Taiwan to for various factors like how much benefit can Apple get from it. And after the components are manufactured, they reach countries like India, USA, and China, where they can be efficiently assembled in less time, and also the cost of production is less. And after they are assembled, the final smartphone is then exported to other countries for sale, or also some part of these smartphones are available in the country itself. And countries like India and China also play a major role in the support chain of Apple, where there is a skilled workforce who understand the consumers better. And same is the case with other companies like Samsung and Xiaomi. As I said, it's a common way. Now, steps of manufacturing. What are the steps of manufacturing? So I have divided them into four steps. The first step is the preparation of the integrated circuit. So the integrated circuit is nothing but a small circuit board with all the components like the processors and the SoCs, which are system on a chip, and the other chipsets which run the device. So in simple words, we can say that this integrated circuit is the brains of the smartphone, and it is the linchpin with any cell phone. So the integrated circuit or the integrated circuit company is very important in the manufacturing of smartphones. So this is the picture over here, this is the picture of an integrated circuit, and the components are being placed on it. So most of these integrated circuits are made in China for many factors like cheap labor and cost cuts, and also the favorable government policies. The next step is the preparation of the printed circuit board assembly, which is also called as PCBA in the short form. It is the board obtained after all printing all of the solder paste and on the PCB, and then various components are put on it, including the integrated circuit. So after the first step, when the companies have selected an integrated circuit company, and they have selected a chipset, they have the option they have two options to work out the whole PCBA process. So first is that they can make a custom board themselves, exclusively for themselves, or they can choose from a pre-designed board. Also, this choosing will depend on various other factors, a variety of factors, but the reality is that there is a valid reason why most of the companies generally opt for the pre-designed boards, obviously to save time. The step 3 is manufacturing, and manufacturing is one of the most important process in the whole manufacturing process of smartphones. It is very crucial that the companies work with a well managed integration company to assist them with their projects, and also so that they can be reliable enough. And their efficient management of the supply chain allows for the lowest possible prices and fastest production times. So if we take an example here, this picture is one of the Samsung manufacturing unit where there are there are a lot of people, a large number of workforce. First thing is that provides employment to many people. Second thing is that in the manufacturing process, as I said, the more you hire, the production and manufacturing gets done faster. And also it this manufacturing units are also selectively placed in countries where the cost of manufacturing and the cost of the skilled and unskilled labor is low, and they can obtain the lowest possible prices for them. And as I said, production is faster. So the last step in this whole process is the assembly units. So once all of the individual components like the IC and the PCB and all the chipsets and the external cameras and other components reach the assembly factory, it is then down to the company's assembly factory to start producing the phone at the most efficient rate possible and in the lowest time possible. So the assembly units are also based on the policies of government and availability of other factors also, where they can reap most of benefits, like in India where there is Samsung's and Xiaomi's vast units. So here is Samsung's new assembly unit, and some parts are manufactured in this unit, and they are exported to other countries as well. So it's a huge step for India to be placed for for multinational companies to be placing their assembly and manufacturing units over here. And the things that I've talked till now are the basic overview of what companies do in a broader way. There is a lot of behind the scenes action going on, and I have discussed only the briefest things possible to make this video as short. And yes, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. This is me, Mohit from Fortech, signing off. Thank you.